children. You are welcome to our Bethel Public School. Today for first standard I am going to teach you about water. Water is essential for all living things, living beings. Without water can we live, children? We can't live without water. For what all we are using water? For drinking, cooking, washing. What all we wash? Washing, vessels, clothes, bathing, and when we use for toilet, we have to flush it. For that we use water, like that. From drinking, we use water. We need water. Without water, we can't live alive. We need water. And then children, only we need water? No. Plants and animals also need water. Without water, animals also can't live. Plants can't grow. It will never grow without water. We have to water it. Plants without water, it will dry. Animals need water to drink. Animals need water to drink. And only to drink for animals? No. We overall rare animals like dog, cow, they give bath to animals. To give bath to animals, they need water. Without water, we can't live and we can't do any of the work. Water is very essential in our life. Now we came to know how we are using. For water, we are using water. For overall, we are using water. All living beings and living things. Not only we human beings, animals and plants also need water. And now, from where water is coming? Where we get water? We get water through rain. Through rain, we have to save the water. Rainwater harvesting is there, no? We have to, rainwater harvesting we have to do. We have to save the water in many things. We have to fill it. We have to do that arrangements. We have to keep it and well. You know well. In well, we get water through rain. Through rain, we get water to well, river, ponds. Through this and rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Through this, we get water in the taps. Only through rain, the well will fill, rivers will fill, ponds, lakes, and we have to do rainwater harvesting. Through rainwater harvesting, we can save water, we can use water. When we use water, after, when you are not used, we have to close the tap. Each and every drop of water is very precious. We have to save the water. Without water, we can't live. That we have to always keep in the mind. Water is very essential. Excuse me, we should not waste the water. When we are not used the taps, when you are not using, we have to close the tap. Yes, children, see today we are going to learn, we have learned about water. All living things need water. Not only human beings, animals and plants also need water. Animals without water, it can't survive, it can't live alive. It needs water to drink. And to give it bath, it needs water. Plants. Without plants, we can't survive. Yes or no? We need plants and trees. Forest also. How it will be? Without water, it can't grow. It will be not alive. It will dry. The plants will dry. So we need water. Water is very essential and precious in our daily life and in our whole life. Got it, children?